OnlyWoodFloors, specializing in perfection since 1984. 714-315-6285.
Hey guys, Brian Adams here. Brian Adams with OnlyWoodFloors, OnlyWoodFloors.net. We've been specializing in perfection since 1984. Yes, I'm that old. If it's wood you walk on, we do it. Got some instructional videos that help you do it also. Check them out. Today we're going to talk about the big machine, sanding the majority of the floor. Down here in Sacramento, you got about 3,000 square feet of rustic black walnut. And you could rent a machine similar to this at Home Depot. This bad boy here is the Lagler Hummel 50-year anniversary this year. Weighs about 175 pounds, runs on 220, the RPMs. The sander that you rent from Home Depot is maybe 60 pounds and runs off of the 110. But it's basically the same idea. It's just a really huge belt sander that you stand behind. And we've got adjustments on this that can put more pressure on the sanding belt or less pressure. But it really has to do with this handle. And that's where I'm dropping the sanding belt. So as I'm dropping that, as I get closer to the wall or somewhere that I don't want to hit, I'll lift it up and feather it in. I'll also hold it the whole time. Some areas in the floor I may want to sand more, some I may want to sand less. It also determines if I'm walking super fast how much I sand it, or if I'm backing it up going slow because I need to take a lot of the wood off. You don't want to use this one because you can ruin the floor almost instantly if you don't know what you're doing. But that small one you rent from Home Depot, you can play with it. It'll take you about 8 hours to do what I can do with 1 hour with this. But this machine will get 90% of the floor.
OnlyWoodFloors. If it's wood you walk on, we do it. 714-315-6285.